nice to see you. How can I help you?
Yeah, I'm thinking something kind of a bit more playful, something kind of fun. I'm thinking maybe pink. I'm not 100% sure which kind of pink, so that's kind of where I need your expertise, but I'm thinking definitely something upbeat and happy and sweet and cute.
For you, Shinefinity is the best pink ever. I suggest you to create a pink with 2 dimensions. You have a thin hair and blonde hair with layered, and I think for you, for your hair, it's better to create a very smoky pink from the root.
Yes, I like kind of that.
And for the lens, a pink very natural with beige pink. I think it will be better for your skin and for your eyes. It's very, very, very good. So
yeah, that sounds good.
I think the look will be perfect. Really, really, really good and very trendy.
Yeah, perfect. Let's do it.
Let's go. My favorite products to compose and create the pink is Shinefinity 0056 because it's very easy to use and the shine is amazing.
I love it. That's the exact kind of pink I was thinking, like kind of smoky, interesting. I feel like it suits my personality.
You really look amazing. I really love your look.
Yeah, I really like that because I kind of wanted to keep my balayage look.
It's pink but very natural.
Exactly, yeah.
You really look amazing with this color.
That's exactly what I wanted. Thank you.
You're welcome. Thank you.